Let's think about this. What if AI decides it doesn't need to ask for permission anymore and starts calling the shots? Is there a chance that robots could overthrow us humans down the line? Today, we're diving into the world of Manus AI, a groundbreaking artificial intelligence that's pushing the limits of technology. With the power to make decisions on its own, Manus AI isn't just a tool. It's a bold step into the unknown. Is this the future of humanity or a hidden risk? Stick around as we uncover its power, the debates surrounding it, and what it could mean for all of us. Hi everyone, I'm Tai. Today, I feel a bit anxious introducing to you the world's first AI that could make you unemployed as soon as tomorrow, Manus AI. On March 6th recently, Manus AI was introduced by the Chinese company Monica and quickly gained attention, attracting over 200,000 views on X. You're probably wondering what sets this model apart from other chatbots. The answer is that Manus represents something completely different. It's an agent, an AI system that can think, plan, and act independently. That's what distinguishes Manus from its competitors. While ChatGPT and Google Gemini still require humans to input prompts, Manus doesn't need instructions. Instead, it's designed to work on its own, access new information, and proactively adjust its approach. This is possible because Manus operates like a director overseeing a team of specialized subagents. When given a complex task, it breaks down the problem into components, assigns them to individual agents, and monitors the progress. Thanks to this design, Manus has significantly outperformed other AI assistants on the GAIA benchmark, a benchmark used to evaluate AI models' capabilities on real-world problems. At level 1, Manus far surpasses other state-of-the-art models. Its stability shines through at levels 2 and 3, especially at level 3, where the most challenging problems are presented. Manus can still solve nearly 60% of them, demonstrating its potential to fully replace humans in certain tasks. Alright, now let's take a look together at how Manus performs in real-life user cases. In this example, a user asks Manus to plan a trip to Japan with specific requirements like budget, number of people, preferences, and even a marriage proposal plan during the trip. They also want a handy handbook to easily refer to throughout the journey. Once it gets the request, Manus kicks off by researching and gathering info, then analyzes it to pick the best possible itinerary. After that process, Manus delivers the results back to us. And check this out. The handbook Manus put together is super detailed and user-friendly. The itinerary is laid out for 7 days with clear time slots. Plus some cool experience suggestions to go along with it. On top of that, Manus even recommends romantic spots for the proposal, perfectly matching the user's initial request. And here's another neat thing. Manus includes a breakdown of costs for each spot in the itinerary, so the user can tweak things to fit their budget. Pretty helpful, right? In this case, Manus is like your personal travel assistant, crafting a detailed plan that's spot on and tailored to each user's unique needs. Let's take a look at the next example. In this task, the user requests Manus to dive deep into analyzing Tesla stock. This includes a company review, key metrics, and investment recommendations. Once the request comes in, Manus gets to work, gathering historical stock price data, financial reports, and expert opinions. Then, it lays everything out in easy-to-understand charts and dashboards. Here, Manus whips up a visual dashboard that clearly showcases the model's take on Tesla's stock value and investment recommendations. These insights come straight from the charts and tables below. For instance, in the financial performance section, which sums up the past 5 years, you can easily spot the growth in revenue and net income. Likewise, in the valuation analysis, it's a breeze to compare the current stock price to the base case and bear case scenarios. On top of that, you've got technical analysis indicators like P, RSI, or MACD thrown in for good measure. Manus also creates a chart comparing Tesla's market share with its competitors, giving you a clear visual of where Tesla stands in the market. Plus, it throws in a full SWOT analysis to help users size up the company even more accurately. What's really cool is how Manus breaks down the stock value across different scenarios, using all the data it's collected. It shows that Tesla's value is sitting above the base case but still has some room to grow in the bull case. That's definitely something worth thinking about when deciding what moves to make, depending on how much risk you're comfortable with. Pretty helpful, right? In this example, Manus proves it can step in for a professional stock consultant. It summarizes financial reports, dishes out solid predictions, and backs it all up with clear, visual charts, all in just a few minutes of processing. Finally, let's talk about Manus's programming capabilities. You can ask Manus to create custom programs just for you. For example, in this case, a user requested a Mario game but in Minecraft style. It takes a few minutes for Manus to figure out the details, like what Mario game and Minecraft style mean, before it dives into coding. And then, boom, we've got the result right here. I'll play it for you so you can check it out. It works awesome. Now, if you think programming a game like this is still pretty easy, here's a tougher one. So, a user on X decided to test Manus by asking it to recreate the Apple Store homepage, and he shared the outcome. Let's take a look at what Manus came up with. Here's the website that Manus copied from Apple's homepage. You can see that the interface, colors, and fonts are pretty much spot on, just like the original. Plus, there are some cool interactive effects when you mess around with it. Sure, it looks like the back end isn't fully done yet, but honestly, the way Manus pulled off the front end is seriously impressive. This kind of task is still a big challenge for junior developers, and Manus totally crushed it. You might be wondering, is this too good to be true? Well, yeah, there have been some early reports of system hiccups, like crashes or shaky performance, but that's totally normal for a new tech, especially something as big and bold as Manus. The cool part? It's already smashed it on some benchmarks, like GIA across all 3 difficulty levels, and honestly, its potential is off the charts. So, what's this mean for the future? It feels like Manus AI is a huge leap toward general artificial intelligence. Where AI can do pretty much anything us humans can. That could shake up how we work, learn, and even live our lives, from stuff like customer service to creative gigs. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tech and AI goodness coming your way. See you in the next one. Goodbye.